Okay, last question. Use the graph of the parabola f of x, that's the U shape, and the line g of x to find the following values. Separate multiple values with commas, and if something doesn't exist, enter none. So we have all these things in function notation. So let's review what function notation is. We have f of x, which is equal to y. So we're going to be looking at graphs that have x, y points. We're going to have to, we're given the x value, and we need to find the y value. So we're finding this. So f of 0, that tells us that x equals 0. So we need to go to the graph to function f. That's the parabola. And we're going to go to x equals 0. That's on the y-axis. And on the graph, find that where the graph is at x is 0. So right here, x is 0, y is 8. So f of 0 equals 8. These are a point on the graph, not 0, 8. So this would just be 8. Okay, g of 6. So x equals 6. We need to go to the g, that's the line, go to x equals 6 and find the y value. So I like to go to the x-axis, go find 6 right here, and then go up to the graph that I need. So that point is at 6, 2. Y equals 2 right here. So that means g of 6 equals 2. We're just finding the x, y points. So 8, 2, and now we want to find where they're equal. So where graphs are equal, that's an intersection. So we're seeing where are the graphs crossing? Where does f of x equal g of x? See right here, this point's the same on both graphs. And then this point is also the same on both. So we know that one's 0, 8. This is 5, 1, 2, 3. And it's only asking for the x values. See, x equals. So 0, 5. Okay, our next one is where do f of x and g of x equal 0? So in order to have an equal 0, that means x must equal 0 at some point, or not x equals 0, y equals 0. Remember, it equals y. So y equals 0 at the x-intercepts. So let's go see. I'm going to go to the x-axis. See, 2, 0, 4, 0, and 8, 0. We have 3 points where y is 0. 2, 4, and 8 are the x values. That's what it's asking for. And now we just have some to solve. So f of x, or f of 5, and g of 5. So go find x equals 5 on the graph. On both graphs, we want it on f and g. So I'm going to go to x equals 5. It's right here. Hey, look, it's the same on both graphs. So the y value, that's what we're looking for, is 3 on both of them. So the answer is not 3, it's f of 5 plus g of 5. Well, f of 5 is 3, g of 5 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So that one we had to find the two values and then add them. Our last one, we're finding two values and then we are subtracting. So f of 1 and g of 1. So we're going to go to the graph where x equals 1, and we're going to find out what the values are. So go to the x-axis, x equals 1, and we're going to go up and find the graph. We have a point here at 1, 1, 2, 3. And then up here at 6, 1, 7. So f of 1 equals 3. G of 1 equals 7. Then we have to subtract them. F of 1, G of 1. 3 minus 7 is negative 4. So that takes a while, but it's using function notation on your graph.